Hello everyone from Disney Springs Parking Garage. I'm here by myself because Brian's at work. We are going to see what Halloween stuff and like 50th anniversary merch they have and just kind of check it out, see what's new. Haven't been here in a while. Excited. If you're new, hello, hi, and welcome. It's weird doing it by myself. If you could please subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, that way we can go live with you guys. We want to get to know you a lot more, so then you can get to know us. Once we get 1,000 subscribers, we're able to go live like at the parks or at Disney Springs here, or just any little thing that we do. So hopefully, if you can subscribe, then you like, share with your family and friends. We love seeing those comments. So if you can please comment, that's amazing as well. Please start a discussion with your fan bam. We can get to know you that way as well. Or if we get 1,000 and we go live, that's awesome as well. See you in a bit. So it's Wednesday early afternoon. It's a little packed, surprisingly. First week of September, holy cow, yeah. Alright. First, I have to go to Sephora because, yes. And then we'll go to World of Disney. And maybe the co-op. Yeah, we'll do that. Yes. I went to Sephora and I bought a few things. They got me. I'm gonna walk all the way on this side past the Coca-Cola store. There's a little shop over there that's kind of cool. They have different stuff. That's where I found my Chip 'n Dale stuff, so I hope I can find more of that. If not, I'll turn back around and then we'll go to the other two stores that I talked about earlier. Okay, so the store is called Disney Style. It's right here by AMC. And this is where they have like really cute things. Oh look, there's Planet Hollywood. That might be a good place to eat. Okay, let's go inside. I gotta put my mask on. Okay, when you first walk in, you have villains. Looks so cool. Whoa, look at the heydays. That's, ew. Okay, I just entered, like, holy cow, there's a lot of good stuff in here. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. They have a whole thing for villains. That is so cool. I gotta take pictures, guys. Okay. Super soft. It's $42.99, and in the back you have this. How you doing? That's cool. And then Haunted Mansion, and there's leggings too. But oh, look, you guys. Wow. These are cool. It's not bad. And there's these ones. These are $24.99. And they have really cool phone cases. I kind of like this one. Not bad. Oh, and there's the Spirit jersey. It's Maleficent. This is, don't know. In the back. Whoa. That's cool. This is probably at World Disney, but like this is a cute little store. Let's see. Oh, and orange stuff for Halloween. Oh no. This is the basketball material. Ooh. Oh, that's right, because the NBA experience is closed, so unfortunately you guys can no longer go there. That's cool. Oh, and then if you guys want a really cool photo op, you can do it here. And they have the Skyliner on top. Oh, this is cool. Daisy. And they have Alex and Ani here. Okay. There's more cases. Okay. So we're gonna go out this way, back over to World of Disney. There's like more restaurants and stuff over here, which is pretty cool. That's where you can go to like the burger place, Deluxe Burger. But we're gonna go this way back again, where Planet Hollywood is. We're gonna go this way. I might stop at the Lego store and see if Brian wants anything. We'll see. It's getting a little bit busier and it's like spitting rain. Like all day, like it'll rain for a while and then it like spits. So I didn't bring the umbrella. And now that I do that, it's gonna probably pour. Yay! There's the dome. Alright, time to go inside. Ooh, lounge slide. Okay, here's the new Loungefly bags. They're super cute. Look at the little ears. They're plaid. They're $75. And then here's some of the stuff that we saw at Magic Kingdom as well. Here's the ears. Cute. Also keep in mind they did raise the prices for the ears as well. See, this is the one that I really like too, that I saw at Magic Kingdom.
So you just hold it?
It's a little bit loud in here, I apologize. Same thing on here, you can only get 2 items for your purchase. Ooh, slap bracelets. Cool. And then here's Chip 'n Dale Peekaboo. Oh, they do have a light up. That's cool. Ooh, light up keychain too. It's teal, so we'll find out what teal is. Those are cute. Alright. Let's go over here. If there's anything cool, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, as I was walking, I found the 50th celebration stuff. They do have a new thing that I saw here, which is this calendar. And it has this on it. There we go, now you can see it. It's pretty cool. And they added the rose gold stuff here too. So it goes all together. I'm really excited I got that jersey. Here's the new Wemos, and these are the characters that they have here at World of Disney. They have a lot of Stitch stuff too, like a new Magic Band and such. And I found them. Here's the Halloween. Oh, actually they're Haunted Mansion. So they're $40 now, so they did raise their prices. So, dang. But There's those ones. Here's like the studded ones. Those are different. Oh, it reminds me of like Descendants. That would be cool for the costume. And then Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh, here's the actual big thing. This is all the stuff for Halloween, like the snacks and merch. Look at how cute Mickey looks. Oh my gosh, how cool! Alibaba. Please don't get copyrighted for this. I'm gonna try to talk over it as much as I can. Here's the Loungefly bags as well. Oh, and there's aprons. I hope I'm not turning too much, you guys. I'm sorry if I am, but I just gotta keep talking because I don't want to get copyrighted. Here's some more pins. Those are really cute. Oh, look. Oh, I thought they moved. There's the Chip and Dale. Oh, there's Minnie. Then here's the little pumpkin. And then, oh, there's hats. That's cool. Huh. Not bad. And then here's the new ears. The new ears. Ah! Like, I kind of want them. But I don't know. Oh, no. We'll see. Oh, here's Crocs. And look at, then you have this and it moves. Look how cute. Here's the Mickey and Minnie. They're cute, but I don't know. And here's some kid stuff. Oh, here's Minnie. Oh yeah, she's a little cat with her little heels. Oh, how cute. That's cool. Oh, they have little spirit jerseys for the little kiddos too. Pumpkin spice frosted pretzels. I wonder if those are good. I kind of want to try them for $9. Sorry. Probably not Disney. Oh, and how many did you get in these? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you get 4 Rice Krispie treats.
Okay.
That's cool. Here's the
ears.
mat that Brian was talking about last time. And then you can get a tote. And that's what that looks like. Wow. I do like the decorations. I'll show you guys one more time. And you can see the projection in the background. There's a whole bunch of stuff for Nightmare Before Christmas. So like all of this area. They have Oogie Boogie. And then this whole side is Haunted Mansion. Alright guys, next stop is the Co-op. Oh, they do have the Disney Cruise Line stuff still. We're going in. Now I'm gonna spend money. Hi!
Okay, let me go check back on him, and if he's still working, I'll come back.
Hello from the car. So I know it's probably gonna be a short video, but I just wanted to show you guys what they had for like Halloween 50th merch and stuff like that to get excited about. It was a little bit busy, but it's okay. If you finished the whole thing, thank you guys so much for staying with us. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your family and friends, like, comment, all that great stuff. Until next time, bye for now.